welcome friend. Hi, how are you? Hope you are doing well. This time I'm working on making crochet flower. The thread I am using is you can see there's a combination of 3 thin threads, you can see. Okay, now this is the color of my flower, and let's start over. Making crochet flower is very simple. Like you just see the every next step I am following, so that's how you will start working on a flower. That's very simple. Just see here. First chain, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. I will make total of 60 chains. Okay, you can see I have made some chains. Let's count them. These are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 46 47 48 49 50 51 52. So I need 8 more to go. Okay, let's make the last 8. 40 53 4 5 6 7 8 59 and now 60. So from here we will start our next chain, which will be something like that. Like first make a round on your hook and then enter your hook into the 4th chain, first, second, third, and this is 4th one. So I am entering my hook into the 4th one like this. Now you can see there are the 3 loops over my hook, and then wrap the thread or crochet over the hook and pass it from the loop. And now again there are 3 loops over my hook, and again I will first pick the thread and pass it from 2 of the chains or the loops, and then there are the 2 loops, and I will again pick some of the crochet and pass it remaining of the 2. Now you just see the design. This is the first step of the floor. Now we will make the 4 chains. 1 2 3, and here's the last one, 4th. You can make the 5 or more chains if you want to make some big floor or something else. Okay, now what we're gonna do, again we will follow the double crochet pattern which we had followed in this step here. This is called the double crochet pattern. So again I have just wrapped the thread and then enter into the same loop. Okay, in the same, you just see like this is the loop, and I will enter this in this chain, and now we have the 3 loops over the hook, and I will pick the thread and pass it from the chain and pick the thread and pass it from the remaining of the 2 loops. This is called the double crochet pattern. Okay, from now we will follow the same pattern, which is something like the double crochet. First we wrap the thread, and then again we will count the 4 chains, first, second, third, and here's the 4th one. Enter the hook into the 4th chain, pick the thread, pass it from the chain, and then wrap the thread, pass it from the 2 of the loops, and again pick the thread and pass it from remaining of the 2 loops. Okay, and then we will make the 4th chain, first, second, third, and the 4th. Okay, and again wrap the thread and pass it from the same loop like this. And I'm making it a bit clumsy, sorry for that. Actually I am focusing on making the video as well as on making the floor, so pardon me. Okay, again we will follow the same pattern. Just see, first, second, third, and 4th loop, 4th chain, pick the thread, pass it from the chain, pick the thread, pass it from the 2 loops, and then from the 2 loops the double crochet, and then make the 4 chain, first, second, third, and 4th. Okay, now follow the double crochet pattern in the same loop, and the last one, 1 2 3, and the 4th. Well, the 4th chains, 3rd and 4th. Well, by the grace of Allah, this last pattern didn't stuck. I didn't stuck in the last pattern. Well, you can open it bit and make a knot here, or you can cut this part. Well, I don't want to cut it. I will cut it in the last. Well, what do we do in the last? Okay, we make 1 and 2 chains and then turn it over. Just see, this is the first pattern, and then what we gonna do, we make the double crochet and pass it from here, and from all of this we will follow the double crochet. Total of 10 double crochet chain we will make here. I like this job very much. This double crochet pattern is very nice. Okay, let's count how many double crochet we have done. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So we need one more to go. We have to make a bit space over here for the last stitch. Okay, this was the last one. Okay, now what are we gonna do here? Like this, I will make a big knot here, and again we will follow the double crochet pattern here. Just see, I am doing it too slow. Okay, you can do it a bit fast or the slow. I am just doing it very slow because so that you can just follow the pattern. Okay, I will gonna make the double crochet 10 times again in the same floor. Total of 10 we need here. Okay, how many chains we have done with? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. We need 2 more to go. These are the 10. So again, what do? We will do like this, pick a thread and pass it from both of the thread. Okay, now we again follow the double crochet pattern. Just see, we are just done with this loop, and now we're gonna make the 10 double crochet in this one area. Just see, follow the pattern and just start knitting. So at the end of knitting we will make a wider loop and make a cut, and from this our needlework will start. I will show you how to do so. We will also cut the starting crochet thread. Now it's time to see the magic that you Wrap the chain in such a way to make a flower. Just see how I am folding the chain. Likewise, this fold your chain of flower and your flower will be ready. Here is the final look of our flower, which you can just see, and now we will fix it. By fixing, our flower will not be reopened. At the end of the needlework, we will just make a small knot here. Just make 2 to 3 knots and your flower will be fixed. Until next video, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.